FETCH.AI on an absolute tear to the upside going into our 3618 short-term target of 250. Absolute rip on unstoppable train. Welcome into 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. I'm a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at FETCH. If you haven't told by now, I can't help you. We're going to start off in the weekly, then we'll zoom in, look at the daily chart, short-term targets, long-term targets, all that good stuff and more. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want access to our private Telegram group where we've been talking about FETCH since 19 cents, all these good cryptos right here, consider subscribing to our Patreon. You get access to that and more. All tons of content there. Okay. Next short-term target, the 3618 from our swing high Christmas Day to our swing low throwback to our 21-week EMA. Perfect test back at 50 cents. And since then, just absolute Hulk mode. Next target, 250. Not a dime less. All right, if we take that out, you guessed it, the 423 at 340. We'll see how we go, right? It was just yesterday. It was at $1.30 on that move down from Bitcoin. $1.30 to almost $2.30 in 24 hours is batshit crazy. That's FETCH for you. All right, so that's the weekly. What are we gonna look at to the downside? No need to look down just yet. We're only looking up. Okay, so if you want to look down, let's go look at the daily chart. We'll zoom in a little bit. So look at the perfect tag off the 21-day. You can't even make it up. And now, consolidation, move down, 21-day bounce, and rip back to the upside. Again, there's that short-term target. If we go down again, where do you think you'd be looking? The EMA 8 or the EMA 21? Right, that's been pretty obvious for FETCH this whole move up. Since we left the Gaussian channel here, got out of it, turned green, go time, $1.10, just above $1, and it's, now it's more than doubled, right? Looking pretty stellar. All right, all moving averages rising, great sign there. How about the 4-hour? Are we looking a little toppy or not? Well, how much does everything look toppy in the past, right? And it's just melted right through it, right? Indicators, still room to go up. Daily chart, still room to go up. Again, a little bit of divergence here on the MFI. But, who cares? This market doesn't make sense anyway. So, any throwback even on the 4-hour, right? This consolidation for one whole candle we got. EMA 8, the 21 seems to be a little bit more solid. You got a couple more wicks there. See that right there? So that is like 190, 195. You want to be dollar cost averaging back into FETCH there if you want to get more. That would be a good spot. But, we could easily rip higher. That's about 10, 12, 15% down from where we currently are. But again, our next high side target could come well before that, right? We could hit 250 before coming back, and we'll look at it again, right? We'll just keep making updates for FETCH, and all you got to do is keep watching. All right, so that's the 4-hour as of now. To the downside, to the upside, right? You got your little targets. We have room on the indicators to move higher. Being, up in 24 hours, 73%. It's a pretty solid move. I think I'll take that. And, next, let's get to our quote of the day. We'll keep that nice and short and sweet for you. Quotes. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Your thinking just destroys you, doesn't it? How many times have you thought about buying crypto and didn't? That's gotten you wrecked this time, hasn't it? Or non-wrecked, right? You're just not even in. Buy in. Bull market, right? Just wait. Buy in and wait. Car of the day. Go brand of the day. McLaren. Let's go the other way, bud. That's from yesterday. That's Rolls-Royce Phantom. Going ahead. We got the McLaren Artura. We got the McLaren GT, the McLaren 750S Spider, and the McLaren 750S Spider. Yes, both of those are the same. Let's zoom in. There you go. Spider there. Spider there. Spiders everywhere. McLaren spiders. Those are the ones you don't want to step on. There's the interior. The front, pretty epic there. And I got one more for you with the door up. Going on a test drive with some uber millionaire right here. There you go. 750S McLaren. Cars of the day. Brand of the day. Might as well do that. FETCH. Coin of the day. Coin of the week. Coin of 2024. Probably. Will and will it stop? Who knows?